Hello there, and thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean, and this is Reversed TV. If you do need to connect with us for any reason, you want to get information about reverse mortgages or any other type of home loan, please reach out. I'd love to hear from you. My contact info is down below in the description. With that said, today we'll be talking about the reverse mortgage maximum loan amount for 2022. Let's dive in. All right, so back in October-ish of 2021, a lot of industry professionals believed that the new conventional loan limit was going to be $625,000. And typically what happens is the maximum appraised value or maximum claim amount for reverse mortgage is 1.5 times that amount, which would have been $937,500. However, late in November, FHFA announced the actual new lending limits and shocked a lot of the mortgage industry with higher lending limits than anticipated. So the new lending limit was $647,200, and 1.5 times that amount equates to $970,800, which is the new max claim amount for the year 2022 with reverse mortgages. Now, we do need to explain, because that doesn't mean that's the amount that you can borrow, okay? The max claim amount is just simply the maximum appraised value that can be used. So basically the maximum appraised value that can be used is $970,800. Of course, if your house is less than that, then the max claim amount is just whatever your appraised value is. So here is kind of how it works. At age 62, you can borrow just a little over 52% of the value of your house. So if your house is worth $100,000, just to make the numbers simple, you can borrow about $52,000 and change. If it's worth $300,000, then you can borrow like $156,000 and change. Now, if your house is worth the max claim amount of $970,800 or more, it doesn't mean you can borrow more if it's worth more than that number. So the $970,800 is the maximum appraised value that is considered. So with that said, let's just dive into how it works in terms of the maximum loan amounts you can get. So with a reverse mortgage, you can borrow a percentage of the appraised value, and it changes with every passing year. At age 62, it starts at about 52.39% of the appraised value. And it just simply moves up a little bit with every passing year until you get to age 90, where it caps out at about 75% of the appraised value. So if you are 62 years old and your house is worth $970,800 or more, then you can borrow $508,602. Now, if you're age 70, you can borrow roughly 57% and change of the appraised value, or in dollars and cents, the maximum reverse mortgage loan amount would be $559,083. At age 80, you can borrow about 64% of the appraised value, and if your home is worth the max claim amount of $970,800 or more, then you can borrow $623,156. And at age 92, where it caps out for the FHA version of the reverse mortgage, you can borrow 74.99% of the appraised value, which equates to $728,002 being your maximum loan amount at age 92 or higher. Now, if you owe more than any of these figures for your respective age group but have higher end homes, you may qualify for a jumbo reverse mortgage where the maximum loan amount goes all the way up to $4 million, and on exception basis as high as $6 million. With that said, I think we covered it all. We got the maximum loan amounts for reverse mortgages set for the year 2022. Remember, every year is different, but just to make things simple, I sort of just covered 4 different buckets at age 62, 70, 80, and 92 plus here. Again, if you want information on reverse mortgages, it's what I do. I love it. It's my favorite loan program. Reach out to me. My contact info is down below. Thank you again. Take care.